The beauty benefits of rice water. According to Asian culture, rice water is referred to as a natural cleansing option for washing your face, and it works as a gentle toner and cleanser, but it cannot strongly remove makeup or remove oily on your skin. Rice water is always the best beauty secret to Asians because it is rich in beauty minerals, antioxidants, and vitamins that make it fantastic for both skin and hair. Rice water is also used as a natural anti-aging product because it contains vitamin B inositol. This vitamin promotes the body cell renewal and helps in blood circulation, thus making it a natural anti-aging product. Besides rice water being used as a face tonic, it is also used as a remedy for preventing skin spots that are caused by the sun or hormone fluctuations. This is because it contains contents of niacin that brighten the skin without any side effect. Rice water will also benefit those people who are suffering from acne or unclean skin because it clarifies anti-inflammatory effects. Here are reasons why rice water is important for your skin. It keeps the skin smooth and brighter. It reduces the pore size. It is an acne healer. It deals with eczema. It soothes the sunburn. What does rice water do for your face? This homemade cleanser will not only make your face clean, but also heal your face. The whitening properties of white rice will heal scarring, whiten your skin, and diminish pimples and blackheads. We will share with you the easiest way to make rice water. Soaking rice water. You can make rice water by soaking rice in water. Rinse the rice thoroughly and drain. Let it soak for at least 30 minutes before pressing the rice and straining it through the sieve. Then, refrigerate the ice water. Dilute with plain water before using, with the ratio of 1:3. How to use it. You can use a cotton pad and damp it in rice water and apply to your face and neckline. Gently massage for 2 minutes and then rinse it off. This is the easiest DIY beauty product. Give it a try. You will be amazed with the result. We hope you like the beauty benefits of rice water. Stay tuned for more health benefits videos like this. Please share, like, and consider subscribing if you've not done so. Thanks for watching.